how to research high value projects. Now we're going to look at it not from the venture perspective. We're not going to invest in those projects. We're going to sell to those projects. So what are the things that we need to look at in order to sell them? So step number one is going to be just start with your CRM, look at the top 5 deals in size. Very funny thing, in order to research high value projects, you need to look in your CRM. Well, look at those that brought you the most amount of money, find out what it is about them, what it is special about them, and go find more lookalikes like them in order to sell them. Like, don't try to create the market where the market is not existent yet. Like, you can do it, but it's just going to be harder for you, and there's a chance that you're going to be wasting your time. Instead, you can use your CRM and find the people that you already sold to, and then find lookalikes, and then basically, let's say you had a very great deal with I don't know, let's say Deepin projects. Let's say Deepin projects like are paying you 100K per whatever you're doing. So go find maybe 5 or 10 very good Deepin projects that look exactly the same like the one that you have sold to, and then go to their website, go to their GitHub repository, like just try finding out whether they have the problem that you have solved to one of your customers, and try to understand how are they currently solving that problem that you don't have. So you may do it, like there is a chance that you won't be able to do it because this is not the public information. That's fine, unless you can find a mole in their company that will basically, give you all the information that you need. You won't be able to get this information if it's not public. After you have done your basic research, it really depends on your project. Like, I don't want to spend too much time here because it really depends on the service, the product that you're offering, like the things that you need to do. But it really doesn't matter. Find the project like that you need to find. Go to find 5 lookalikes and message all of them. Outreach, like reference me from the last video. Like, take the sales approach, like, because doing this research and doing this, just being hands-on, this is very important. This is cool because with the high value prospects, you really don't have the second chance for a mistake with that specific person. But at the end of the day, like, it's sales. It's about having a pipeline. Like, if one high value project tells you no, or they tell you we're not interested, it's not a problem. It's not the question of getting them, persuading them, hey, that no, you specifically need to buy from us. Instead, go and find 3 other high value projects that you will sell to. Find their competitors, sell to the competitors, and then use this as the argument to go on and for them to buy. So you're in sales, but research projects, do like pay attention to the people, but at the same time don't overestimate the importance of doing all of this, because at the end of the day, the king of everything is going to be the outreach. So if you do enough amount of outreach with enough amount of people, you're going to be good regardless whatever you do, regardless whatever you sell. You're going to be fine, because pipeline is king, is always king, and pipeline is the beginning of all the money. So Web3 Sales Gym, I'm Nicolai. All the links are below in the description. Video is here. If you need to see it again, just go back and see it and screenshot it, maybe post it with friends. And if you're not sharing this video with friends, you're basically robbing them out of money and out of deals. So I'm asking you, please do share the video with your friends so they can subscribe, and we get to 1,000 subscribers soon. Thank you so much. See ya. Bye bye.